Here is how we're gonna take multiple photos using the timer option, right? So whenever you go to the camera, you can see that we can click on the more options and set up the timer. So it might be turn off or set to 3 seconds, 5 or 10. And the point is that if you, for example, choose the 3-second timer, you can count down like this. And then when I go to the gallery, you can see that this is in fact going to be a burst of 10 photos. So by default, it should take multiple photos at once when you have the timer enabled. The only reason why it may not work is when you have the live photos enabled. So again, when you click on the more options, we have the ability to enable the live photos automatically or all the time, but we want to make sure that live photos are not active at all, because in that case, we can be sure that the countdown is going to take multiple photos, burst photos, right? And then once you have them in a burst, you can expand it like this and choose the one which you actually want, right? So you can choose this one to be the favorite, right? And I'm only going to keep this one as the image, which actually works out. So that's how you're going to take multiple photos at once using the timer. As I said, the crucial part is the live photos setting. So let me know what you think below, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.